Welcome everyone. This side Manisha. I am going to present a presentation in front of you and my topic is event management. As many people think that event management is nothing. They think that designing and producing an event is very easy. Just find a venue, come up with a good theme, get some food and drink, book a band and send the invitation out on a time. Unfortunately, like many things that seem simple, creating a successful event requires a lot of hard work and a diverse range of skills and experience from project planning to budgets. Now come to the topic, what is event management? Event management is the process of analyzing, planning, marketing, producing and evaluating an event. Event management is the application to the creation and development of festivals, events and conference. Events are celebration that provides opportunity to meet and share happy moments with family members, colleagues, friends and relatives. A good event company will listen closely to what you expect from them. They should then explain how they can meet those needs within the time, cost and resources. Now come to the event types. There are what types of event? There are mainly three types of event. First one is corporate event, second social event and third charity event. Now come to the first event, corporate event. In that event the audience usually depends what's the aim of event, like launch of any product or idea and celebrate the achievement. In that kind of event we include seminars, conference, trade shows, workshops. And second is social event. In that kind of event people interact with each other away from businesses or workplace environment. They enjoy music, dance, food, good environment, etc. In that event we include parties, wedding, reunions, birthday parties, baby shower. And last is charity event. In that event the main aim was to raise money for a chosen charity or non-profit organization. Now come to the next point, functions of event management. There are mainly five functions of event management. First is define your objective, decide your target audience, effective use of resources, duties of organizing team, decide the promotional strategy you will use. Now come to the first one, that is define your objective. It is important to know the purpose of your event. Is the aim to increase awareness? Do we want to enhance brand name? Do we want to build brand image by presenting opinion leaders? Second is decide your target audience. Define the target audience before planning the event, like the acceptability of the event. Your target audience could be sales opinion leader, media, trade partners, end users, etc. Some event may be more successful in rural areas but a failure in urban areas. So plan as per the preference of the target audience. Next is effective use of resources. Ensure the optimize effective utilization of available resources, particularly the people and the finance. Next is duties of organizing team. There are few duties of organizing team, like venue arrangement, food planning and services, entertainment program for party, announcement, distribution of gift. And last is decide the promotional strategy you will use. And you have to use some promotional strategy for your successful event. An event without a promotional strategy will not achieve half of its effectiveness. Send invitation to all those you think will participate is an event as per of a part of direct market initiative. Now come to the next point, that is process of event management. There are few process of event management. Mainly there are five process of event management. First is planning, second is organizing, third is staffing, fourth is leader and coordination, and last is controlling. Now come to the first one, that is planning. Planning involves the mission and objective on which strategies are made to achieve the set goals. In event management, planning means to the all the arrangement like locating the event, the venue, facilities, and arranging for the technical aspects like sound, light, music, etc. Next one is organizing means the responsibilities are assigned to the relevant staff members in the team for the event. Event coordinators are essential requirement for the organizing part of the event. And next is staffing. Functional responsibility in a project type organization structure define event management, staffing, the production manager are also involved for the planning stage, so their main responsibility is making the event a physical success. Next is leader and coordination. The coordinators needs to be leader with fantastic people skills. The leader required to motivate the labor and the junior coordinate to work real hard. They are also able to guide the marketing and project manager. Last is controlling. The event plans to ensure conformity with original plans in the guest if controlling. The purpose of event might be different with respect to category and variation of event, but reach to the right audience and interaction would be a generic purpose of event satisfy. Now come to the last point, that is steps of event management. And first one is selecting and reserving venue, coordination with outside vendors, coordination with the artist of entertainment, arrangement for travel and parking, secure with healthy and safety standard. Now come to the first point, that is selecting and reserving venues. First you have to select your venue according to the need of customer as well as according to theme. Next, coordination with the outside vendors. Then for the food, music, light, etc., for those things you have to coordinate with outside vendors. Next is coordination with artists of or entertainment. After this, for entertainment you have to coordinate with music artist, dance artist, etc. Next is arrangement for travel and parking, then planning for travel and do arrangements for parking, and last is secure with healthy and safety standard. In the last you have to secure all the safety standard, make ensure in whole event your customer will not face any kind of issue. And in the last, thank you everyone. If you like the video, please like and do comment.